गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। आज की क्लास में हम सेलिब्रेट करेंगे दिवाली को। ठीक है, दिवाली क्यों मनाई जाती है, क्या रीजन था, ठीक है, और हमारे लिए क्या महत्व है उस त्योहार का। तो आज हम बात करते हैं। सबसे पहले कोणार्क, आप कुछ बताइए इसके बारे में।
Good
हम
morning,
दिवाली
everyone. On this auspicious occasion of Diwali, I would like to present a speech. Diwali is always known as the Festival of Light. As it is a national festival, people from all over India celebrate this festival with their whole family. The guests come to visit our home with sweets and gifts. People from all over India get a break from their work, the schools declare holidays, and the office workers get bonus for this festival. We decorate our homes with many colorful lights, light crackers, diyas, and candles, and remove all the darkness. Some people say that Lord Ram had returned to his home in Ayodhya with his wife Sita and with his brother Lakshman after killing the demon king Ravan in Lanka who had abducted Sita. It is said that people had lit thousands of diyas in Ayodhya to celebrate Lord Ram's return home, which is today celebrated as the Diwali festival. The day Ram returned home with his uh, sorry, people also worship goddess Lakshmi for wealth and prosperity. In Bengal, people worship goddess Kali, who killed all the demons and achieved victory. She is known as the fiercest goddess. People worship different gods and goddesses, but they intend to do the same thing. People have a fascination for lighting crackers in India. They intend to buy all kinds of crackers and light them up just for fun. These crackers may be visually a delight to see, but they are equally harmful for both human beings and animals. They harm everyone. Uh, uh, so the people should stop buying too many crackers. They should celebrate Diwali by lighting more diyas and candles as the intention is to spread light and to remove their inner darkness. By taking this step, we can spread brightness and happiness all over India. Thank you.
थैंक यू कोणार्क, बहुत अच्छा।
Happy Diwali to all.
हाँ, हैप्पी दिवाली टू ऑल। एंड अब आरुषि,
Yes, sir.
हाँ आप स्टार्ट करिए बेटा।
Good morning, all of you. Today I'm presenting a poem on Diwali special event. Joy, joy, we can play with our cousin, we can eat so many sweets, we can fire crackers, we can worship Goddess Lakshmi because it's yes, sir. Joy, joy, we can play with our cousin, we can eat so many sweets, we can fire cracker, we can worship Goddess Lakshmi because it's Diwali. Happy Diwali for all of you. Be
थैंक यू,
safe and good Diwali special event.
थैंक यू बच्चे। सभी ध्यान से दिवाली बनाना, ठीक है, पटाखे मत जलाना, और अपना मास्क का, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का जरूर ध्यान रखना है आप सबने। ठीक है, कहीं पे जा रहे हो, कोई आ रहा है आपके घर, तो मास्क वास्क पूरा प्रॉपर अपना ध्यान रखना है उस चीज का। ठीक है, अक्षत बेटा आप शुरू करिए।
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. Today, I would like to speak few words on the occasion of Diwali. Diwali is a festival of light. It is celebrated all over India with a great joy and happiness. It symbolizes the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू बेटा। इल्मा, इल्मा।
Morning, all of you. My name is Ilma Mukta, and today I would like to represent a poem on Diwali. Lit are the tiny lamps lighting up all the camps. Whitewashed, beautifully housed, look too nice, truly. At shops, we find variety of foods prepared with the guests, with the to shade at Diwali. shining all the places, and we all love very much. Thank you.
थैंक यू बेटा इल्मा। अंकित,
Happy Diwali to all of you.
हैप्पी दिवाली अंकित। हैप्पी दिवाली टू ऑल ऑफ यू।
Diwali is India's greatest festival, and it is the symbol of coming Lakshmi to our home and also victory of evil over. Oh, sorry, victory of truth over the evil.
यस, ओके ओके, आगे करिए, कंटिन्यू करिए। हेलो, हाँ अरशद बोलिए।
Diwali is the festival of lights. It is one of the biggest festivals celebrated in India. Diwali is the celebration of the returning of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. We light candles and decorate our homes with rangoli. We worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha on Diwali.
थैंक यू बेटा अरशद। सभी बच्चे एक चीज का ध्यान जरूर रखेंगे, अगर आपने सैनिटाइजर लगा रखा है तो कोई भी दिए वगैरह के आसपास मत जाना, उस हाथ से, मतलब जब तक बिल्कुल उसको साफ ना कर लो आप हाथ को, ठीक है। तो क्योंकि वो क्या होता है, हाईली इन्फ्लेमेबल होता है, तो अल्कोहल होता है, अल्कोहल क्या फ्लेमेबल होता है, ठीक है। तो उस चीज का ध्यान रखना है, कोई बच्चा बीमार ना होए, कोई अपने आप को नुकसान ना पहुंचा ले, ठीक है, क्योंकि आगे पेपर आ रहे हैं, सभी का स्वस्थ रहना जरूरी है, ठीक है। तो आज की क्लास हम यही एंड करते हैं।